Today I'm taking a look at the DURATECH 4-piece tubing cutters and deburring tool set. That's nice. So it actually comes with a case to keep everything contained. We got cutters for 1/2-inch pipe, 3/4, and 1 inch. They're all labeled. I was expecting this to be plastic, but this actually appears to be a cast steel or cast aluminum. Okay, so that is non-magnetic, so this is in fact aluminum. Very nice, so it's going to be a lightweight, but it's still going to be made out of metal. It has 2 flat rollers to make sure that it's going to be perfectly straight, and then we got our blade right there in the middle. It does tell you the direction that you go. You always want to be dragging that blade, so it's going to spin and pull the blade. You don't want to be pushing the blade. And then also in the case, we have our deburring tool. These are pretty common tools. You just take this guy and you scrape it along the edge and it will swivel around to match whatever contour that you're giving it. These blades will dull out over time, but these are actually interchangeable. So you just pull down this collar and it will pull out, pull down, and it'll pop back in. And it comes with an extra right there in the handle. But you have to use it quite a lot to actually need to change that guy out. So here I got a piece of 1-inch pipe. That's basically the largest size you're going to find in a residential area. What we're going to do is take it, line it up with the length that we want to cut. You can hear it kind of clicked on. What's nice about this size is that you can actually put this inside of a narrow area. So if you got a hot water pipe and a cold water pipe that are right next to each other, you're not going to have a lot of clearance. It's like they make those cutters with that little thumb nut, but it actually sticks out. That could bump into the pipe next to it. This is going to be a lot better for that purpose. And just takes a few turns. And we've got our piece of pipe. You can see on there is a burr. You don't want to just install it like that. That's where this tool is going to come in handy. And that is cutting through that copper, no problem. There we go. So overall, that feels like a very high quality set. We can see it cut through very well. The deburring tool works very well. If you're going to be installing copper plumbing, especially if you have to work in a tight area, this is going to be an excellent tool set to have.